I'm only joking, it's me really.
Oh, I know this one, but I forget what I was going to say. Ah, that's what it is. Photographic memory.
To be able to sing like Shirley Bassey.
Space travel.
A selfie of me and Finn backstage.
Yeah, selfie on myself.
I think it was probably a selfie.
It was of me. It's all about me.
Yesterday I think of my wife. The day before was the girl, I'm only joking.
Patterdale bred with Scottish.
Golden Doodle.
German Shepherd.
French Bulldog.
Oh, I want a sausage dog.
A Labrador.
A Labrador.
Yorkshire Terrier.
Cocker Spaniel.
I'm not really into dogs.
Hashtag Muppet.
Finn's hashtag is Fabulous Finn.
Hashtag sassy.
Hashtag Disney.
Hashtag disco.
Hashtag Paul.
Someone really gorgeous like Catherine Zeta-Jones.
Mark Strong in a padded suit.
Renee Zellweger.
Charles Bronson.
Clint Eastwood.
Ken Dodd. He's so famous. Oh, hang on. I also met Bill Clinton once. No, Ken Dodd's more famous, definitely.
Kaya Pierce.
Frank Sinatra once.
David Beckham.
Ian Lee.
If I should win this money, I would give some to charity.
Setting up the kennels and helping a German Shepherd rescue charity that we support.
Get me dance teacher a car.
I'd give some to charity, and I would probably buy a new ironing board.
Ding, 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 dong. Here we go, so shout out, stop. Okay, are you happy with this card? Yeah. Do you want to change your mind? Okay, do you want me to find your card, wait before you answer, the hard way or the easy and boring way? Nobody of us is the easy and boring way.
No, how's that?
Running Man.
Staying alive.
Just like that.
Sorry about that.
Wreck.
And also I could do the donkey drop. Do you know what the donkey drop is? This is the donkey drop. That's the donkey, that's the